Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna learn how we can get the ID of selected records from list view in our screen flow. In previous video we learned how to use a flow in a list view button. As you can see, I clicked on a list view button and it's opening a flow for me, right? It's a screen flow. Here it is, screen flow. Okay, this is the screen flow and I'm using it in a list view button. So how I can do something like when the records I select, I want the IDs of the selected record inside my flow. So to do that, go to flow, click on new resource, create a new variable, and name should be IDS. Remember, naming convention should be same, IDS, and everything should be in a small. Okay, so this is how automatically when you will select records here, these records IDs will be saved in this IDs variable, and always it should be text. And remember, for this IDs you have to select this one because there can be multiple IDs, right? So that's why it will be a list of IDs. And the most important thing, available for input, right? So available for input, it's gonna allow this IDs to be accessed from here, right? So Salesforce is gonna put all the IDs, selected records IDs, in this variable, and then you can click on done. And to for confirmation, let's use this here. Okay, after here, insert resource IDs, here it is, right? And let's make it red and bold. So that will be our confirmation that we are successfully getting the IDs. So save as, save, and activate. It is the same flow which we embedded previously in our previous video in this list view button. Okay, so now refresh and let's see. I'm selecting this first one, and clicking on this button. So it's gonna open my flow from list view button, and see, I am getting that selected records ID in a list, right? Here it is. You can see square brackets means it's a list. So let's see if we can get multiple record IDs or not. So go back to here and select both, right? So now there should be two IDs. Click on flow list view, and as you can see, we are getting the IDs of both the record which were selected. So that's what was today's tip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much.